Hello, welcome back again to another little episode of me. And what today is going to be a review on this gel product. Let's see what we got. All right, normally I'm not a big fan of the gel stuff, but it was on sale, so I figured, hey, let's give it a go. So in the box we got the gel. Now, what I like about this is that it's got a lot of adjustable loops. You can double it up. You can do curls with it, of course. Step back here, give you a full view of what's going on. Now, if you just hold it down with one hand and curl with the other, you're working out two parts of your arm. This one's your bicep, this one you're holding it in your tricep. That's what I like about these stretch band, stretchy products. You can work them together, doubling your workout in half the time. So as you see, this stretches really nicely. Of course, you can do the chest stretch, which is actually working the back muscles. Okay, if you want to work your pecs, put it behind you. There's not a lot of resistance this way because there's not a lot of actual stretching involved. But you'll feel a little bit of it. Okay. Better would be to double this up and hold it with one arm behind your back. And do one at a time. All right, just like that. So this product, I'm not here to show you all the exercising options, but definitely you can do everything you can with the stretch band, but this one's got the nice little loops. Let me show you something else. Of course, you can step on this, and but whenever you use these type of products, keep it totally away from anything that could possibly put a scar, scratch, or cut into it, because that will cut its lifespan down, and it could cause injury if it snaps off and hits you. But check this out. Let me set this up over here by the exercise bag. If you like doing a little bit of cardio, drop my seat down a little bit so I can see you see me. Basically, the cool thing about this is, depending what kind of bike you have, you can put this on. Just make sure it's not going to touch anything that's got any sort of edge. Make sure it's just on the smooth round part and that it does not slide off of that area. But while you're pedaling, now you can do some back pulls, some high pulls. Now you're going to be able to do resistance training as well as with your cardio. You can do some curls with it. So basically, you can do different upper body exercises while you're doing your cardio. You can hold it with one side, double it up. You do some reverse flies, working your rear delts, your upper traps, your upper lats. So these are all things that are cool. I like this band. I think it's a cool product. Let's see what the cost is of it. Not sure how much it is where you're at. My location, original price, looks like it was originally about $6 originally, and I got it for about half price. So it's good so far. I like it. It works. It's adjustable. It's friendly. It's non-intimidating. It's orange gel. It's like it makes you want to have fun when you exercise. So I give this a thumbs up. How long it lasts, I don't know. I might, if it flies apart soon, I'll do a follow-up. But if you've seen these and you thought about it, I think it's a go. Grab one up, have fun with it, just take care of it. Don't use anything that's abrasive that could scratch it or scar it. Definitely, if you're out and about, walking the park, take this with you, and you could do exercises while you're walking with it. All right. You switch it around. I'm sure you've seen some of my other videos. I love doing the stretch bands while I'm walking, and of course you can do leg exercises with this also. Maybe I'll make a video about exercising with this jelly strap. That's a good follow-up. So there you go. Train smart, stay strong. See you next time.